Vicky here with you, and I wanted to share with you a new collaboration that I accepted. It's with In Love Arts, and they do dies and stamps, and I just received their package. I figured I was going to share with you the opening of the package, and obviously we're going to be using these to make cards and other good things soon, but I wanted to share with you first of all the opening of this. So in the description box below there will be a code that they gave me for all my stubbies, and it gives 15% off. And oh, these are so nice. Look at that. Aww, love you, happy birthday, miss you. This is great. I love this. And then here, this one is a die, and it has, I don't know if you can see, but there's little crosses, cross stitch. I'm sorry, my husband managed to give me his cold. And this is another beautiful stamp, and I'll try to leave in the description box below the link to the products that I've chosen as well, so this way you can see them, because obviously I'm going to be using them, and if you're interested in making stuff alongside, well, it would be good if you had them. They also delivered very quickly, so I was very happy with that. Look at the beautiful little tags. Isn't that fun? And then I wanted to have some stamps that would be good for any type of card, and it's the fact that I chose these here, so I thought it was going to be fun. And look at that. Aren't these pretty? I'm hoping you can actually see the stamp, maybe better this way. Isn't it pretty? Oops, the other way around, like that. And let me show you this one. This one I thought for a background would be amazing. So I got that. And then I also got this. And this one I thought I could use some watercolor on it. And this way, and I could cut out the flowers and use them on cards. Like, instead of using just a full-fledged stamp, I could use a few flowers on the card. So that was my thinking behind that one. And then here, this one is a die that says happy birthday, and then there's all kinds of fun stuff that you can do with this. And this is the stamps, the die cuts that goes with the words. Whoops, where are the words? Here. Those go with the words, so, or they're supposed to. Yeah, see? So this way you don't have to cut it out yourself. It's really useful. Like the miss you. So yeah. So I hope you go and check them out. I'm telling you, their stuff is really amazing. Lots of choices, and just really hard to decide what you want to use, but and their prices are amazing. So, and that is before the 15% off code that I'm gonna give you, so definitely worth it. Yeah, go and check it out. I'm not quite sure where they're based. I think they're based in the States, but I'm not sure. It didn't say on the package. It was sent through Canada, so I don't know. It shipped through Canada, so they might have a warehouse or something in miscellaneous places. So anyway, like, really interesting, and we'll be using these in upcoming card making. So if you're interested, go and check it out and purchase some, and we'll have fun. So that's it. Bye everyone.